Hey there! If you've got a truck rental agency, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you've just randomly come across this video today, you aren't quite sure about Mighty Sites yet, haven't heard of it, Mighty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for a small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. Service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how well it works for you and your small business. So once you join the platform, the first thing it asks you to do at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week, by the way. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, truck rental agency. Whoops. There we go. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's go ahead and tell Marty Sats a few basic details about our truck rental agency. Go ahead and put on our company name as well as our city and our state or region we operate in. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your agency is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the world. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue and let multi-site work its magic and create a simple website for me. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some awesome images of your fleet of trucks available for rental. You want to showcase them on your website, maybe make one or two minor changes to that content as well. Today, that's exactly what I'm going to be walking you through. I'm going to be going through each section from the top to the bottom, showing you how to make some amendments. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional to help you with this either. So let's get cracking. I'm going to make my way to the first section at the top and click on update section. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company email address, phone number as well. I want to make sure my email address is displayed on my website. So I'm going to click on show email and sites. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my phone number as well as my physical location, my street address. The great thing about that physical location, that street address, when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head on over to our social links to update them. Now, over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Social media icons will be displayed at the top of your website as well as the bottom so customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, see what your business is up to. Let's move on to update logo. If you don't have a logo yet for your business, I recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of free, great options on the platform. Logo's been uploaded. I'm going to click on the little pencil so I can crop it ever so slightly. When you click on that pencil, it gives you an option to make other minor edits like add filters, decorate frames, rotate, zoom in, flip your logo, etc. Awesome. Let's go ahead and re-upload that, the newly cropped one. Go ahead and click on save. You can make it bigger and smaller if necessary, but that sizing is absolutely perfect, so I'm going to leave it as is. Now, with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for a truck rental agency. If those colors don't quite go with your branding, your signage, your business cards, you want to change it, your logo, go ahead and click on the little paint bucket, no color coding necessary, and go through the various color palettes available for you to use. There's so many to choose from. I'm pretty spoiled for choice here. Let's go ahead and look at one or two more. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. I can change it at a later stage if need be. That's really bright and stands out really well. Let's head on over to update image. Over here, you can browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. And you can play around with the keywords a little bit. So Mighty Sites will automatically search for truck rental agency. You could just type in the keywords truck or truck rental and just play around with the terms, see what pops up. That looks really awesome though. So I'm going to go ahead and save my image selection. Whoops, and move on to update content. Now, over here, you can change the title, subtitle to suit your business needs. Button currently says contact us today, which I'm going to go ahead and leave. Let's go ahead and choose our link. Now, we can link to another website. Maybe you offer calendar booking, third party website. Go ahead and put the URL under another website. Otherwise, link to another part of your multi site websites if need be. The contact form at the bottom is a great one, which I'm going to get to in just a second. You can as well link to an action like click to call directions or click to email. So I'm going to go ahead and link to click to email. Another great option is to upload a PDF file, maybe the different fleet options in PDF format, catalog. So people, when they click on that button, take them directly to the PDF file. Over here, again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and make your changes. We've now made our way to the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your rental agency came to be, how you got into this industry. Maybe it's a family run business. Do you offer 24/7 customer support? Is your rental service available for both short term and long term? What kind of trucks are in your fleet? Go ahead and put all the details over here, how your business came to be. Customers would love to hear your story. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details, the different services you offer. Is there flexible rental terms? Can it come with or without a driver? Your rental, is there insurance cover? Are the vehicles fitted with tracking devices? Can you also supply the with the truck rentals other items, perhaps like cargo nets, crane operators, vehicle management systems? Go ahead and put all the details under the services section. We've now made our way into that lead form, which I've just told you about, and the buttons linking. Over here, your customers can easily get in touch with you, put their details, click on send. You will get notified via your email address that you have a new lead via this form when it comes in. You'll also find all your leads over in your Mighty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. If you don't have a domain yet, maybe you recently launched your business and you really want a domain, you understand it makes your small business website look way more professional. You can purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform by clicking on I want a new domain. Now over here in your Mighty dashboard is where you can find the leads via that form I've just shown you at the bottom of your website when they come in. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your truck rental agency. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the platform, do comment below and let us know. If you have any questions or concerns, drop us a message. We'd be happy to hear your feedback or answer your questions. Don't forget the service is only going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Now, the great thing about the Mighty Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial and give it a go.